Thank you for trekking out in the rain. I know it started right as everyone left home, probably, but I'm glad you're all here. We're going to start with flesh, blood, and bone, understanding the mechanisms of evolution. Now, this week's Science in the News, we have three great speakers. We're going to start off with Chris, back there. He's in the Department of Astronomy. He's a postdoc there. He researches the forces driving the formation of planets from our own solar system, as well as solar systems very far away in our galaxy. And his fun fact is that although he looks at alien worlds, Earth still remains his favorite planet.
For now.
For now. We're then going to go to Caleb, who's in the Department of Geology and Geophysics. He studies the evolution and development of marine reptiles. And his fun fact is that his first word was fish. He's always loved the ocean. And then finally, we're going to go to Dalton, who's also in the Department of Geology and Geophysics. He and Caleb were actually in the same lab together. He studies the evolution of lizards and how their anatomy has changed over time. And then his fun fact is he sings in an a cappella group called the Citations at Yale. You're good, too. So we're going to talk a lot about evolution today. And when we think about evolution, the first thing that most people think about is this diagram right here, where we have some monkey-like thing who gets taller and less hairy into a man or woman that you see today. However, if you've seen any Science in the News, you'll probably know that it's a little more complicated than this. We're going to learn exactly how complicated it can get and how we can think about exactly what is evolution. We're going to start with the flesh, or how different jobs in the animal kingdom can create the variety of animals that we see around us today. Then we're going to talk about blood, which is really just looking at how genes exactly make these kind of differences that we see all around the world. However, we're then going to go to bone, and kind of look at the fossil record to see how these changes given by the flesh and the blood change over time to give rise to animals that we've seen in the past, the present, and maybe even the future going in front of us. So now I'm going to pass off to Chris, who's going to get us going with the flesh.